Welcome back, all of you. Welcome back. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone.
Halloween. Ha.
Happy Halloween.
Ha. 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 Ha.
What is Halloween? What is Halloween? Why do we celebrate Halloween? Halloween is a festival of Western countries. They celebrate this day. Hallow means holy. Holy saint. They celebrate this day a evening before Holy Saints Day. And that is their way to celebrate Halloween, to dress up like a ghost, and they decorate their houses like a ghost house. That's how they celebrate Halloween. Oh my God, what is this? That's a pumpkin, and pumpkin is looking like a ghost. That's a part of decoration of Halloween. They decorate their houses with pumpkin and lots of scary things. Okay, now here comes your first challenge. What is the challenge? You all have to dress up like a ghost in 1 minute. Let me show you some examples. How can you dress up like a ghost in 1 minute? See, you can use one white sheet to dress up like a ghost. Come on, everyone, you have 1 minute to dress up like a ghost. Come on. Manya, Jianj, Manvi, dress up like a ghost. That's a challenge. You have to dress up like a ghost in 1 minute. Come on, baby. Yes. Come on, Jianj. Well done. Oh my God. Look at Jianj. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared of Jianj. Wow, Jianj. Oh my God, I'm scared of you. Manya. Come on, Manvi. Oh my God, you are looking so scary. I'm scared of you. Manvi, are you getting ready, baby? Oh my God. Have you used your brother's cloth? Is it? है ना? आपने अपने brother की sheet use की है ना? You're looking so cute. Cute, cute ghost. Come on, wear it, baby. Say ho. Behave like a ghost. Okay. Oh my God. Look at Vehana. Oh my God. Look at Vehana, everyone. Oh, cute. Vehana.
Happy Halloween, ma'am.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. So cute you are looking.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here comes the next challenge. The next game is balloon game or ball game. You can take one ball, balloon, or one glass. And what you have to do, you have to balance the balloon or ball on a glass. Balloon or ball को एक glass पे balance करना है. Balancing of balloon or ball on a glass, जिससे वो नीचे नहीं गिरे. You have to balance that. Come on, Manya.
हैंड बेटा यू डोंट यूज विदाउट हैंड बेटा इसको हैंड से ना टच नहीं करना ऐसे बैलेंस करना है इसको
Yes, very good. Balance it.
खड़ा हो खड़ा इसको हाथ से टच नहीं करना ऐसे पकड़ के रख
Very good. Let me take your pictures one by one.
पकड़ो रखो
Come on, Jiansh.
नीचे रखो इसको ऐसे करके दिखो तो फेस दिखेगा फिर मैम तेरी पिक्चर लेंगे नीचे से ग्लास पकड़ो बेटा नीचे करो इसको
Look at me, Vihana.
ग्लास यस ओ
Done. Manvi. Baby, let me take your picture. Very good, Jansh. Manya. Manya, look at me. Manya, baby. Yes. Show me your lovely face. Done. Well done, everyone. That was balloon balancing or ball balancing game. Now let's move to the next one. The next game is lick the ketchup without using your hands. Let's play this game. Put some ketchup in the plate and you have to eat it. You have to lick it without using your hand. अपने hand से नहीं खाना उसको. You have to eat that ketchup with one of your sense organ, with your tongue. Eat the ketchup with your tongue like this, without using your hand. Yes. Yes, Parth. Put it in the plate. Put the ketchup in the plate and eat it without using your hands. Come on, Manya. Come on, Manya.
आपके फ्रेंड्स खा रहे हैं ना, आप भी खा लो। सब गुड्डू।
Oh, don't you like ketchup?
मैं पूछ रही, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता? नहीं लगता।
It's okay then. If you don't like it, leave it. Jian, come on, baby.
छूटने वाला है। इसलिए आएगी मेरे को दांत लेके नहीं जाएगी।
मैं नहीं लगाती हूँ।
मिली। हाँ।
बैठो, अच्छे से बैठो।
बोल कहाँ पर है?
बोल मिली नहीं, वो बड़ी वाली।
Oh my God, Vihana. Ketchup must be your favorite, isn't it, Vihana? आपकी favorite है ना ketchup?
देखो भी आना खा रही है ना, आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा।
Parth.
मान्या बस कर बेटे, खांसी है, बहुत ज्यादा खाती है इसको।
Oh my God, plate is so clean.
मैं जा रही हूँ।
इधर आ, इधर।
मैं जाऊँगी। और लाना।
और लाना।
मम्मा और वो लाना जो अभी दी थी।
अभी तो हम दूसरा गेम करेंगे ना बेबी. Now we'll do some other activity. Well done, everyone. Now let's see what is next. The next activity is flameless cooking. Let's do flameless cooking. Okay, so everyone get your material. Two bread slices, or if you don't have bread, you can use biscuits. Two bread slices, or you can take the whole biscuit, Mary biscuit. And if you are using bread, cut the bread with this glass into round shape. Put the glass on bread and press it to cut it into the round shape. Press it hard and take these circles out. Your bread is of round shape now. Cut the bread in circle shape. And then take one small glass or katori. Let me bring it. Put one round slice of bread in the glass, or if you are using biscuit, put one biscuit in the glass. Manya, put one biscuit in the glass or bread slice like this. Yes. And then take some crushed biscuits, the biscuits which are crushed biscuits, and put it in the glass on that bread slice like this. जो ब्रेड स्लाइस हमने रखी थी ना, बिस्किट जो रखा था उसके ऊपर ये ब्रेड बिस्किट क्रम्स डालने हैं, बिस्किट क्रश्ड बिस्किट. Shall I repeat it once again? Cut the bread in circle shape with the glass. Place it in the glass like this. Then on this bread, place some crushed biscuits and then take some melted chocolate, or you can use chocolate syrup. Add some milk in the melted chocolate. 2-3 spoons of milk in melted chocolate and mix it. Mix. See, this is mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix milk and melted chocolate together. Mix it well. Now, pour this melted chocolate and milk mixture over the crushed biscuits. And now we have one more bread slice. Place it and repeat the process once again. One more bread slice, some crushed biscuits, and pour more chocolate syrup or melted chocolate mixed with milk. That's it. It's ready to eat. This yummy pudding is ready to eat now. Why we call it flameless? Why this cooking is flameless? ऐसे क्यों बोला हमने flameless cooking? Because we are making it without using fire, without using gas. Mama gas use करके खाना बनाती है ना? And we have made this without using gas, without using flame. This is why it's called flameless cooking. Oh my God, Jiansh, are you enjoying your pudding? Very good, Manvi. See, Manvi is making by herself. Well done, baby. Hearts. Is it yummy, Manvi? Is it yummy? Yes. Manya.
मैम इसको फीवर है इसलिए ना इसको मैं कुछ दे रही डॉक्टर ने मना कर रखा.
Okay, ma'am. Have you enjoyed your flameless cooking activity? No. Manvi, are you saying no? Yes, you enjoyed. I saw you making. Okay, now it's time to have a dance party, Halloween dance party. Are you all ready to dance? Are you ready to dance? Shall I play some songs? Let's have a dance party. I'll play some songs. Come on, everyone. Oh my God, you all dance so gracefully. Very well done. You all are such a good dancer. मैम को तो पता ही ना आप इतना अच्छा डांस करते हो. Have you enjoyed the Halloween party today? Yes. Have you enjoyed the party? Okay. So that's all for today. Happy Halloween to everyone. Happy Haryana Day to everyone. See you on Monday. See you on Monday, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, baby. See you on Monday. Love you all. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye, baby. Bye. Take care.